grab your cup of coffee, and let's enjoy this Monday. Oh my God, can you believe it's Monday? It's the best day of the week, and I'm gonna tell you why. Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell, and let's get right into it. Hello, my sweet friends. How's it going, everybody? Okay, well, it's Monday. I just finished my cup of coffee. I'm like obsessed with coffee, y'all. I'm obsessed with coffee. I'm gonna show you my coffee recipe one day because I'm obsessed with coffee. Okay, in saying that, and I mean, I know I just mentioned that I love Mondays. Now, all the new people, brace yourselves, because it's gonna be a shock to your system, but don't worry, you'll get used to it, I promise. Monday is the greatest day of the week. Why, Bella, is Monday the greatest day of the week? Because it's a fresh beginning, a new start, and a new possibility for so many things to happen. So on Mondays on my channel, we have done this for years, and now that I'm back and in full force, we are going to declare what we want to come into our lives. And we're going to take all that negativity that comes at us, because you know it comes at us, full force nowadays, and we're going to bundle it up. And I'm going to say, listen, negativity, have a nice time, but away from me. Bye-bye, and throw it out the window. And yeah, get on with your day. And when you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, no. Declare what you want to come into your life. Keep declaring it all day, all night, every moment. You catch that negative thought, and listen, I'm one to talk, because I got negative thoughts galore. But declare. Okay, got that out of the way. Happy Monday. Summer's almost over. Bella, we need to get full force fall. Everybody is posting fall. And yeah, I have a collection that is amazing, and I need to fall up my house. Okay, but before I do that, today's video is going to be all the things I changed for the last 6 months that you haven't seen me. So I'm gonna take you off the tripod, and I'm gonna take you down, and I'm gonna show you the entire house. Well, the entire stuff I've changed and what I'm gonna change. And don't worry, you'll see everything. And I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, that's about pretty much it for today. And okay, let's get started. Wait a second, Bella. I forgot something, y'all. Wait, before I show you the house. I don't even know how I forgot this. This is why I'm in a good mood. Okay, I have not responded to all the comments yet, and I will. But the video I posted on the weekend, wow, y'all. Talk about showing a girl a lot of love. Wow, a lot of love. Compose. Ooh, do not cry. That was a lot of love. Thank you. And this is why I said, this is my happy place. No matter what happens in life, this is my happy place. I'm not lost for words, but if I start talking, you know, y'all know I'm gonna babble for forever. I want to thank every single person that watched that video. I like last I checked, it was like way over 6,000. Yeah, thank you. I mean, what more? Well, I mean, I can say a lot. The comments, some of them, y'all touch me so much. I'm telling you, what you've done for me surpasses, humanity is live and well. There we go. That's what I'm going to say. Humanity is live and well. I can't thank you enough. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I will not disappoint you. I will not disappoint you. I will come with the most creative, most innovative ideas. I'm telling you all, just wait and see. I got stuff on my sleeve. I'm crying now. I got stuff on my sleeve. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. Monday is the greatest day of the week. I'm declaring that I will find a place to live that will give me everything I need and all the seasons and all the stuff, and yeah, and I'll find a house that I can renovate and all the things. Okay, ready? Let's go. Let me take you down off the tripod and show you all the changes. Okay, guys, let's start here at what I'm calling my entranceway. I love what I did. I love this piece of furniture, but I want to show you this little black orchid. Now, I found that little orchid. It was all black at Hobby Lobby, and I just added a little touch of gold to it. And also this little picture is from Hobby Lobby, and this vase is from Hobby Lobby. Now, I bought it a while ago. I bought it a long while ago. I love it. And I just added some florals in, and y'all, these florals, it can't be beat. Like, they're springy, but they're kind of so neutral that you could use them for spring, summer, early fall, let's say. But I am going to change this up. I'm definitely changing this up. Then I have this really nice brass bowl with the wood thing in it. And then those candle holders are from Hobby Lobby also. And the candles, actually. And then my old lamp, that's from Kirkland. Oh, long time ago. But I like how this looks. Now, let's not look at the bottom because I really haven't done anything, but we will for fall. And there's Titi. She's coming to say hi to everyone. That's Angela's little chihuahua. She's so cute, y'all. Okay, I know. The elephant in the room is the two unupholstered chairs, but I'll get to that in a minute. I'll explain to you all about the chairs in a minute. I am going to reupholster them, so you'll see that. So what we did is we had the big wall unit here, and then I moved the fireplace there, and I put the TV on top because I wanted a big TV. And then I split my entertainment center. I put the two shelves over there, and then you'll see the other one. And then what did I do? Oh, here, this is all new. All this on the coffee table is new. The candle holders, the pot, that's that viral pot, if anybody's seen. This is my candle sniffer. Guys, I love this thing. I have it linked in my Amazon store. So if anybody's interested, it's linked in my Amazon store. And there's that pot that everybody bought from Walmart. My 2 boxes are from Amazon. I'll have them linked also in my Amazon storefront, and which I'll leave the link. And then that's new. The little marble table is new. Is this new? No, it's not new. But did I buy this on Amazon? I can't remember. And then these are all dollar store, which I'm going to switch those out. And of course, I'm showing you my mantle is a little ruined. And then these pillows are from Walmart. Love them. Great color. Love them. Love the back one, especially the back one. It's like a velvet. It's really, really nice. This one's nice too because you can make it both sides. I like that. That's from Walmart. Better Homes and Garden. I'm trying to think. What else? Oh, yeah. There's my Walmart pillows. See how nice they are? They're really nice, those Walmart pillows. And then I just added these beige ones that I've had for years and years and years with the little bits of gold on them because it kind of tied in. I thought that was really nice. And so that's the couches. Did I do anything different? Oh, I did scrub that carpet. I took it outside and power washed it. Y'all, the carpet looks brand new. I'm telling you, brand new. Sorry about the lighting. Looks a little odd. Okay, let me show you the rest of the stuff now that I got the lighting working better. Okay, on my little end table here, the little side table, I put a little box. I keep the remotes in and little things. Love these boxes. I'll also have them linked in my Amazon store. and then the lamp and the candle and that. But I split the setup, and I'll show you here. I'll show you everything here a little bit. There's my candle holders. I've had them for years. You guys remember them. That's my nail stuff. Let's not worry about that. But I love this mix of high end and low end, a little bit of greenery, a little bit of flowers. I love what I did here. I love the mix of this. That pot is from Walmart. Amazing, amazing. Love it. And then this little black thing is from the Dollar Tree. And I just made a little gold rim on it just to tie it in. And the little pear painting is actually from fall collection at Hobby Lobby, guys. So run get them because they're great. I love those little paintings. And I have another one. This little painting is also from Hobby Lobby. Don't mind my air freshener. And then that little thing, and there's the box. There's the other matching book box or matching box. And I like that. And guess what? These two candle holders are Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, y'all. I mean, look. Mix match of high end, low end, expensive, inexpensive, little bit of Mackenzie Child, little bit of Dollar Tree. It all works. It all works together. And there's my antique chair. You all know about this. If you've been following me for a while, this has been in my family for hundreds of years. This tree, this olive tree is so good. It's so good, y'all. It's from Amazon. It is so inexpensive and so realistic. I'll have it linked in my Amazon store for sure. Okay. So, yeah. And the pot is Walmart. Walmart. Just plain old Walmart. We love Walmart. And these drapes, I don't know if was I filming when I bought these? I don't remember, but they're linked in my Amazon store too. I have a set. How many do I have on here? 8 maybe? Yeah, maybe 8. Okay, let's move on this way. I'll show you what I've done here. Not much. Truly not much at all. The dining room has remained the same. Oh, I made this little thing from Dollar Tree ferns and a little pot from Hobby Lobby. Love it. My dining room is pretty much the same. The only thing I did is I added those 2 mirrors up there, and that's it. The blue and whites remained, and I'm going to leave it like this. I'm totally leaving it like blue and white for fall. I'm just going to add fall colors in, and here's my disaster. That's called my desk. I just made this desk, y'all. So I still have to paint it and do all the things to it, but I like my desk. I'm going to keep it. And yeah, that's the dining room. And here's the other part of the entertainment center. And pretty much it's the same. I'm going to move it. I'm actually going to move it. I'm going to put the fireplace back here. You'll see in an upcoming video. There, I'm going to give you a better look. I move back so you get a better look. Yeah. And I told you all about my carpet. I love the trick I used on my carpet. Y'all, I used a broom, some Tide, and some OxyClean. Yeah, I hate that medallion. I'm just showing it to you. I don't know why. And there's our bucket of shoes, basket of shoes or bucket of shoes. Everything's pretty much remained the same, y'all. And here's another look at the living room. Okay, let's talk about the chairs. I want to reupholster these chairs. Now, I've had these chairs and I moved them. This is where I want to put them. This is how I want them to lay out. This is what I want them to look like. I want them to be neutral. I think it'll give me a better space. Like, it'll make the entranceway. What I want to do is put like something up there to kind of separate the space, but I don't know. Now that I've decided to move, I don't know if I'm going to do that, but I am going to reupholster these. So I need to get foam and batting for the seats and then material. I need to sand them down and repaint them. And in the back here, I want to put a different material than I'm going to have in the front. That's what I'm trying to explain here. And I think the living room would look so good like that. And with the new sideboard, like move that fireplace and put a sideboard and put the TV on there, I think it's going to look so good. I think it'll look so much better if something is longer there and lower so that the TV can come down a bit and it'll be like more, eye level. Yeah, I think that would look so, so good. What do you all think? Leave me a message in the comment section and tell me, what do you think? Do you think this will turn out really nice? I think it'll turn out really, really nice. Hopefully it'll turn out nice. So, yeah. And then the coffee table, what I'm thinking is something square, and the color of that, like that wood tone, I think it'll bring in. And then this table, what I want to do is refinish it. Like paint it, sand it, paint the legs, make it more that bleached wood. I think that will look more modern, more, just better. I think it'll look better. I think it'll tie in better. But I think the living room in all, once I get some of the things done, I think it'll look good. So what do you think? The house needs lots of work, right? I almost walked right in the coffee table. The house needs work. Yeah, it needs work. Am I going to do it? I don't know. I guess it should. I guess it should. Well, you come back on, let me see. I'm trying to think. I don't know. I might just start filming and pop up a video. But for sure, 100%, I'll have a video on Friday. I'll have a video for you on Friday. Maybe one on Wednesday, but for sure on Friday. Yeah, so I'll do that. And I'm trying to think. There's so much I need to do. I want to bring all my fall bins in. I'll bring all my fall bins in and go through them. Because I know I want to use some stuff, but I don't want to use other stuff. I don't want to do that cutesy-wootsy stuff. Nah, And you all know I don't do Halloween. I'm sorry, I just don't do Halloween. I don't know. It creeps me out, y'all. I look at it and I think, okay, some of it's cute, but I don't know. Listen, I don't know about skulls and stuff in my house. Yeah, look, no, it's not. I don't know. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me, what do you really think? Are we, some people love Halloween, yo. They just go nuts. They love Halloween. And I'm just like, do we really love Halloween? It's like, we really love Halloween. Okay, I guess we really love it. I don't. I love fall. I love harvest time. I love the leaves and the mood and the pumpkin spice and the lattes and the comforters and the blankets and all the things. Okay. I'll do that. Then we got, for sure I'm going to post a video on how I'm going to reupholster those two chairs. Those are a lot of work. Oh, I don't feel like that. But I'll get to work. Okay. And then, I want to move the fireplace to over back there where I used to have it. And especially now for fall, it really has to go over there, which means I need to find a mirror for the front door-ish. And then I want to bring in that cabinet over here, but that one needs a little bit of painting too. All right. Anyways, regardless, we're going to get it all done. I don't know how because, and I took a little job, a project. That's fine. I'll make time. I'll make that. But Friday I will be here. So come back and see me Friday. And remember, when that negative little thought gets in your head, please, please, please declare what you want to come into your life. Take away all that negativity. And and I'll see you on Friday. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And I'll see you on Friday. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody.